Hey guys, my name's Andy Placencia. Really excited about this class. Wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about myself. Uh, Basically, some of the things that you need to know about me is I went to Don Lugo High School, graduated class of 2004. My older brother graduated from Don Lugo. My younger brother graduated from Don Lugo, and my baby sister graduated from Don Lugo. So my entire family is all from Don Lugo High School. If you're not familiar with Don Lugo High School, it is located in Chino High School. All right. Yes, our colors are brown and gold. I know there's a lot of jokes with brown and gold colors, but we will have some respect for the conquistadors. The first college I attended was Hope International University. Basically, the way I got there is my high school varsity coach was the assistant soccer coach for Hope International University. He kind of recruited me there, so I went to go play at Hope International University for 1 year. It is a small private Christian university directly across the street from Cal State Fullerton. Right after that, the new head coach at Hope International University took on the job for coaching men's soccer at Trinity International University in Chicago, Illinois. So me and a couple of my teammates followed him over there. So I finished out my soccer college career there in Chicago. Graduated from Trinity International with my bachelor's in human performance and wellness. Came back home in Southern California. Decided to start coaching soccer, and then a couple years later, I ended up as the grad assistant at the University of La Verne. I started that in 2012. So I was the assistant coach for the women's soccer team for a couple years. Used that to get me into the teaching program, got my teaching credential, and then after that, I went straight to work for Chino Hills High School. So I'm now a PE teacher at Chino Hills High School. I'm in my second year. Love every minute of it. I also coach there. So Chino Hills High School, yes, that's where the Ball Brothers came from, in case some of you guys are wondering. I also coach at Legends FC. It's a youth soccer club based out of Norco at Silver Lakes. If anybody drives down the 15 on the west side of the 15, you might see a huge soccer complex with a bunch of soccer fields. That's kind of where I'm at 4 days a week, all year long, coaching there at night. Yep, PE teacher at Chino Hills High School. I coach girls soccer there, and then I also coach girls soccer at Legends FC, mostly in charge of the older girls, helping them get into college, helping them find soccer scholarships, stuff like that. Here's a couple fun clues about me. I am a big Disney fan. I've got my Disney pass. I finally went to Disney World last year for the first time ever. I'm also big into sports. I'm a Dodgers fan. Yes, I was there, not this past year, but 2 years ago, Game 7 of the World Series, where we lost to the Astros, and I'm still not over it, but I'm moving forward. And then I'm a big Barcelona fan. Barcelona is a soccer club based out of Spain. If you know anything about soccer or sports, that's where Lionel Messi plays. For football, I follow the 49ers. I'm a big 49er fan, been a 49er fan since I was born with Joe Montana, Jerry Rice, all those guys. For college sports, obviously besides the Leopards of La Verne, I follow the UCLA Bruins. Try to go to at least a couple sporting events every year, whether it's football, basketball, soccer, anything like that. But big Bruins fans. I am now kind of a Lakers fan, just because I've always been a big LeBron James fan. So as long as LeBron James is a Laker, then I'll be cheering for him and the Lakers. The second he leaves, I leave as well. Here's some things going on in my life right now. Here in the top picture, that is Disney World. I told you guys I went for the first time last Christmas. That is my fiance. I was planning on proposing there at Disney World, but ended up doing it locally in front of her family and my family, and then we went to Disney World to celebrate. The bottom picture on the left is my soccer team. We just came back from Hawaii a couple months ago. They qualified for regionals, so I took two soccer teams there and had an amazing time in Hawaii. Very passionate about my soccer teams. And then the bottom right corner is my fiance and I. When she graduated from Cal State Long Beach. So obviously I was there to support her and cheer her on, and there she is showing off her little teddy bear cap and gown and wedding and engagement ring as well. So it's a little about me. The last part is thanks for listening. Thanks for not just clicking exit or anything like that. But my final thought is take a deep breath before your worst period or your worst class, and just remember that we have an amazing job, we have an amazing responsibility, and we get to impact the future of our country, the future of these kids' lives. And for some of these kids, we may be the only ones that actually believe in them or care about their future or education. So have fun, enjoy it, take a deep breath. Thank you guys.